we at? Right there. I'll just try to jimmy that in there. Should line up good enough. Drilled the holes oversized. There we go. That's a plate. It's flush on the bottom, which is what I wanted. It's not flush in here, but that's fine. And we got a little space there, but I don't know what I think about that. Anybody remember where the screw came out of? $12.30. Is that probably upside? Is that upside down? It is. Oh well. Here we go. We got this. Added some new holes. Servo. Riser. I put these in. I had this installed and then I took it out to put this servo box on, or this receiver box on. And this guy to put in there. I can probably squeeze them right there. I can't get to that hole. Okay. And I've got the servo tray. So I want to make a video putting that stuff in. It's already assembled. Already got these standoffs on it, or whatever you want to call them. Anyway, let's call that it. Hopefully I hit record.